In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Rocket League Summer Road Trip challenges quickly and easily. These challenges unlock cool rewards, so let's get right into the fastest way to finish them. First, focus on the daily and weekly challenges listed in the Summer Road Trip event. Prioritize the ones that reward the most points or items you want. Play modes like casual or ranked matches, where you can rack up goals, assists, and saves to tick off challenge objectives faster. Use cars and boosts you're comfortable with to maximize your performance. Remember, some challenges require you to score with specific cars or hit targets, so check the event details carefully before jumping in. If you're playing with friends, team up. Working together makes completing challenges much easier and faster. Also, keep an eye on the timer and plan your gaming sessions to fit challenge deadlines. By focusing on the right challenges and playing smart, you can finish the Rocket League Summer Road Trip event in no time and grab those sweet rewards. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Rocket League tips and tricks.